Hello there, YouTube. What is today? The 29th. December 29th. We finally got some warmer weather. We hit 7 degrees and 11 degrees on several days over the Christmas holiday, right before Christmas. Actually really cold out. But I finally got a chance. I haven't ridden the Goldwing in a while because the tag expired. Excuse me. So I finally got to go out yesterday and get a safety inspection. Believe it or not, in Hunt County, even your cars, we're from the Austin area, so we were paying like $28, maybe $35 to get a state inspection, and everything here is $7. Doesn't matter what. He did tell me a moped was 25 cents to have an inspection. So I always paid $7 on the motorcycles, even in Austin, because they don't do an emissions test. If they do emissions tests down there, that's why it was so expensive. But even here, it's $7 for a car or a truck or whatever you got. So that wasn't bad. So I got it inspected, and I had to go to Greenville to the I don't know, what do you call it, where you get your license, you pay for your license. So I got a license in Hunt County, and I put the little sticker on there. So I haven't been riding it because it expired in November, so I didn't ride it. I didn't ride anything actually for a while because it's been so cold, but now it's nice. So I'm going to go top this gas tank off and go for a ride somewhere. I haven't been able to even ride on these roads, these frontage roads. We've had so much rain that it was flooded, and this road was just underwater. Up here, there are parts of this road that were completely underwater on both sides of the road. Hopefully they're open now. I haven't seen any barricades up when I drove by on the freeway. So I'm gonna go down to Buc-ee's right down here and top it off. Gas is really expensive now because they raised it like 40 cents a gallon for the holiday. And watch them reduce it really, really slow. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. You know, one thing that irritates me about Buc-ee's, people go get gas and they leave their truck or car at the gas pump while they go in and shop for 2 hours. So they take up everybody's, all the gas pumps are full, but nobody's in their cars. I think that sucks. I think they ought to have signs out there that you can't do that. I never do that. If I get gas and I want to go in the store, I'll move my car and find a parking spot. So that's annoying to me. And they even had left a dog in the car, in their truck. It's not hot, but it could get overheated in there. YouTube. I'm coming up to Leonard. I came through here before. I took a ride up to Sherman, just heading back home. But they must have had some bad weather come through here because there's a whole bunch of privacy fences just laying on the ground, and there's patches like tarps on some roofs. So I know not too long ago, before Christmas, we had some really bad weather, and we had tornadoes in the area. Thank goodness it didn't hit us, but it did in some areas, and apparently it came up through here too. I probably turned the GoPro on a little early. I'll turn it on a little bit. I'm about 4 or 5 miles away yet. Well, oh yeah, look at tornado. That tornado came through here. I gotta go over there and show you. Wow, look at all the debris here too. There's a house destroyed back there. Oh wow, look at the stuff in the trees. Yeah, a tornado came through here. Look at all the debris in the trees. And look at over here, the patches on the roofs. Wow, look at that. So a tornado did come through here, because you can see this house is destroyed back here. Yeah, look at all the fences down too. Oh wow, look at that house that just dropped on that one. This is crazy. Oh, look at that garages. Look at this house. It must have dropped right on this house. That's sad. Hopefully no one was hurt. Yeah, we'll take the look at the stuff that's still on the road. Wow. Oh, look at that house is all boarded up too. Oh, that's horrible. These are nice homes too. Yep. Tornado. Well, there's still shingles all over the road. Wow, the trees were uprooted. I knew the tornado had to come right through here. So sad. I saw this when I came through. All the fences were down. Ouch. I'm so glad it missed us. Yeah, look at over there too, the tarp on the roof. Oh, debris. Wow. I saw that debris come through, but I didn't see the house. Turn on the GoPro again coming into Celeste. I'll show you why. Just think back maybe 100 years ago. Wait till I get downtown. Oh, maybe it's around the turn. Oh well. Coming up. Yeah, I remember seeing this. They're building over here. Okay, here we go. Think back maybe 100 years ago. You can actually picture a horse and buggies lined up in front of these stores. Is that the coolest thing? I'm gonna go pull in there. It's the coolest thing or what? There's a lot of towns like this in Texas. You can just picture horse and buggies lined up in front of these stores. Look back when they didn't have asphalt. Look how neat these stores are, or these buildings are. They're empty, but it's kind of sad, but it's so cool. I just thought I'd share that. It's so cool, these old towns. I love these old towns. That's what's cool about riding around Texas and going these little small towns. And there was one, Evant that I used to go to up there. It was kind of similar to that back when I lived in Leander. I'd go up north on 183A, I think it was. Don't like these railroad tracks, though. They're pretty rough. Some of them are. Oh well.